My name is Candace Michelle and I'm the founder of Pinups. And today I'm going to be showing you my vintage inspired and vintage purse collection. Now, this might be a little bit of a long video because I have so many purses, but I'll try to run through them very quickly. So we are going to start off with the black purses. This one I love a lot because a burlesque performer gave this to me. She gifted this to me. And it's actually one of my favorites. It's a big heart purse, and a lot of people love it. And it gets a lot of compliments, and I love the pink lining on it. It's really pretty. So you should know that 95% of these purses are from Bag Grannies. So I have my cute little clutch. I love the studs on these. Again, all of this is it's from Bag Grannies. They know me very well over there, by the way. This is really cute. I have yet to use it, but I can't wait. I probably might use it for like when I go to Las Vegas, or when I have a date with the Rat Pack is back in Vegas, because I love going there. I go there every year. Every time I'm in Vegas, I go to see the Rat Pack is back. So I have tons of purses, but this is really pretty. Again, it's from Bag Grannies. So Bag Grannies is a consignment store in Oklahoma City. They're on the Northwest 16th Street, the plaza. So if you're ever in Oklahoma City, look them up. I think the most that she has, I love this envelope purse that I got from her. The most that she has, I think is $150, depending on the item. I did see two sets, or one set of, oh my gosh, side tables, side tables. There's two of them, and together, well, let me rephrase that. There's one set of two side tables, and it was like $200. So that's the most that I've ever seen at her store, because again, this was probably like, I think, $10. So that's how I get a lot of her purses. This is like a black one, but it's kind of navy blue, so it's kind of in between. But a lot of her purses are from, isn't that gorgeous? So a lot of her purses are vintage, they're vintage inspired, but most of the time they're just, you know, this probably looks like it's from the 80s, but I mean, who can really tell? I love this. I got this for $5. Again, a lot of her items that she has for sale are very affordable, which is why I love going there, and they know me there as well. So this is also another go-to purse I use regularly, and I really love this purse because, oh my gosh, Betty Davis had one in All About Eve. And I was watching that movie, and I'm like, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, we have the same purse. And I just love Betty Davis. So this was actually from Ann Taylor. I got it years ago, but I love the flowers. I think it's really pretty. So it's a cute little clutch, and that one was expensive. It was like $50 or something. But again, all this stuff is from Bag Grannies. So, and I really love this. I have yet to use it. The only problem is I have a big cell phone, so I don't know what I would do with it. I can put all of my little things in there, but when it comes to cell phone like this, I don't know what I can do with it. Times like this, I wish I had a small little brick phone, but I mean, I don't even know if you can buy those and just use it for the night. Can you? I don't know. But again, just a lot of Bag Grannies. This I actually got off of eBay. No, I think I got off of Amazon. No, I got off of eBay for like 20 bucks. And I love this because I don't have to worry about, I mean, it comes with a chain, so you can do that, but this is pretty cool. I love the rhinestones. And it's really hardcore. This was actually gifted to me by a pinup. Her name is Valentina. And this is also gifted to me by another pinup. So again, it was just a lot of cute stuff. I love getting gifts from pinups, fans, friends. It's awesome. So I have an obsession with Besame, and I'm wearing their makeup. And I got this just because it's Besame. It also comes with this little lipstick holder, but it's something that I have to add to my collection. Again, burgundy, love it. This is a little beat up, so I've just put it away. I don't want to throw away my purses. I don't think I will. Some people don't throw away certain things just because. But this is really, I love using this purse with my outfit. It's really, I mean, they have all these cute little side pockets. So I have a lot of wallets. Well, not a lot. I like. So I have an obsession with England. I love all things England, all things British, all things English, all things royal. Except for Meghan Markle, but that's a whole other story. But so I had to get this. I got it from actually a beauty supply store, like $5. And I'm like, I'm getting this because it's England, and one day I will go there. Oh, also I have my Princess Diana / Kate ring, and also so I have Starstruck clothing. These are their purses. This is the most recent one that I have, and I love this one because I love pink. I got this from Viva Las Vegas when I was there. And no, it was right before Viva Las Vegas, so I could wear it, so I could use it. And this one I just recently got, and I love it. And this is the cutest little purse. Again, Bag Granny's, 1960s. I mean, it's a cute little box, like Barbie purse. It's so adorable. And again, a lot of these purses I haven't been able to use as of yet. So right now I am an Uber driver, and oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? So right now I'm an Uber driver, so I don't have a chance to like get dressed up and do my thing. But so I'm just going to show you my purses and clutches. So this is also from Starstruck. I got it with that wallet, and it's just so cute. And you can just do this number with it, or you can just hold it however way you want. So I'm an Uber driver, and I also drive for Lyft, and I also do Postmates, and it makes really great money, and I'm very expensive, and I need to cash out every day. So I love this. Oh my gosh. So that's why I do it for now. I am planning to go back to school to get a degree in Spanish, because I love Spanish and I love Selena, and I taught myself Spanish when I was 10 years old. So weird. Isn't it adorable? And I love the knob too. So I taught myself Spanish. My mom was she had a Spanish book from her high school years, and this is another favorite. I love this. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? It's really awesome. So I taught myself Spanish because I wanted to know what it was, that I was reading. And then Gloria Estefan was my favorite singer, and then Selena happened a year later. So I was like, I gotta know what she's saying. So I never got below an A- in Spanish. Isn't this adorable? I got that from eBay. I love it. I love Marilyn. And so I want to better my Spanish so I can get a really awesome job translating, or probably being a teacher. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. And isn't that okay? So everybody sees this, they're like, "Oh my gosh, it's a shoe purse!" So I'm like, "Yeah." So like, can you walk it? I actually did put my foot in it. So I'm like, "Can I really walk it?" I had another one. It's at my dad's place, and yeah, I fell. So there's that. But again, I love this. I think this is really pretty. That's all. I told you I had a lot of purses. So this is so this is a luggage, that they used to have back in the 50s, but I do sometimes use it as a purse. I have seen other pinups use it as purses as well. And again, another one from Bag Granny. Like I said, 95% of my purses are from Bag Granny's. This is probably like one of my favorites. It's a neutral, and it kind of, I don't know, it reminds me of Jacqueline Kennedy for some reason. And so this is free. This was only $3. Oh my gosh, I love it. And this is just so cute. I have a little outfit that I wear with it, and it just fits perfectly. And this is a new favorite that I have yet to use, but I love it. I love the colors on here, and I believe Unique Vintage has a dress that's kind of similar to these colors here, so that would be a great pairing. And we're almost done because I'm trying to rush through this. So I got this at Viva Las Vegas, and it's really cool. A lot of people love this purse, and so do I. I just don't like that you can see everything through. I wish that there was a cloth, like a lining, so that people wouldn't see what you have in your purse, because I'm not a fan of that. I have seen a few loose side purses that are clear. I'm like, I don't want everybody to see what I have in there. So, and then there's this. This is really cute. I love it. I love all my purses. And this is another Starstruck clothing. And that hot pink that I got, this one, I got them together, so I think it's really cute. And anything quilted reminds me of Coco Chanel. And then I just love this yellow. I think it's so beautiful. So sorry if you hear outside noise. I have a noisy neighborhood. I think it's actually the mailman or something. I think it's the UPS. And again, Bessame. So I just use this. As a pack, you know, like I put my stuff in there. If I'm like going to the gym and I need to change. I'm sorry guys. This is so ridiculous. I should have probably filmed this at night. We'll just wait. Really? It's gotten noisier the past few months, and I don't like that, which is why I'm looking forward to moving to a townhouse or a mid-century home. Mid-century it is. And so, I love this. This is a really cool purse. Again, you already know where it's from. Bag Ratings. Ooh, hand sanitizer. And then the last one is this one. Isn't that adorable? It's just... I'm not too thrilled with the lining on this one. I mean, I don't know what's really going on here. It's not a favorite, but it's there. So, whew, gracious. That is my vintage inspired and vintage purse haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Sorry about the loud noise. It's not as quiet as it used to be, which is why I'm looking forward to moving. Yay! So like, comment, or subscribe. I will be coming to you with more videos. Have a great one. Bye.